What's good, everybody? Is your boy David again, and I'm back with another video today. If you guys are new to my channel, please do subscribe to my YouTube channel, like the video, and comment down below. So for today's video, this is my third reaction video for Viva Cafe performances last September 20. So next is Jessica Villarubin. I've done Marian, I've done Miss Katrina, and now it's Jessica's turn. So ang pinili ko ay yung Love on Top because alam naman natin na power belter itong si Jessica Sanchez. Jessica Villarubin. Okay. So and alam din natin yung yung ability niya to sing. So I've chosen this one kasi I want to listen and watch her sing this Beyonce piece. So, baby, it's you. And ang gusto ko dito is yung key changes towards the end na talagang I think there's 5 key changes or maybe 7. I don't know. I forgot. Basta may mga key changes to, and I want to hear that from Jessica Villarubin. So if bago kayo dito, don't forget to subscribe, follow me on Facebook, on TikTok, and on Instagram. Okay? So with no further ado, let's jump right into the video. And again, shout out sa Critico for this wonderful video. Galing. Sumasayaw pa yan, ha? Sumasayaw pa yan. Grabing high notes yan. Dito na. Let's go. Unang key change yun, ha. pangalawa. Grabe. Binelt pa rin. Chest voice. Pangatlo. Woo! Munti ka na yan. Sapay. Woo! What? Grabe. Ikalima. Ala naman. Oy, kung Bisaya kayo, alam niyo yung sinabi. ni Jessica Villar, sabi niya, Okay, napamura siya guys kasi yung limit niya dito is 5 key changes, and feeling ko it's not half step, no, hindi half step yung taas, no. I think one whole step every key change. So I'm not very sure, but I think kasi the disparity between the keys, no, parang mataas nga talaga. So kasi yung iba, ang ginagawa nila is half step. I think dito, I don't know if it's a one whole step. Pero, man, grabe. I know na challenge na, no, hindi na ganun ka ganda at kaswabe yung panglimang key change. But, still, andun pa rin yung boses si Jessica, no, if she was serious about it. Kasi medyo, na siya, naubusan na siya ng energy, tapos natatawa na siya, and parang there's a lot going on stage nung panglimang key change na. But again, this is not an easy song. Grabe yung stamina ni Jessica in terms of that sustained energy sa high notes, sa power na binibigay niya sa mga every belt that she's doing, no. Yun nga lang, kinapos siya sa 5th key change kasi nga sino ba namang hindi, no? Grabe, no? If singer ka talaga, you would appreciate this kind of performance, no? Regardless how it ended. Kasi andun yung tapang, andun yung boses, andun yung stamina. Yun nga. I think she hit her limit, no? In terms sa kanyang range, but I think talaga meron pa talaga siyang mapipiga sa 5th key change. But anyway, that was entertaining. Very, very explosive Jessica Villarbin. So yeah, that's it. And hope you guys enjoy the one, and mag-subscribe kayo dito, okay? Follow me on Facebook, on TikTok, and on Instagram. So that's it. Peace out everybody. Much love. Stay safe, and God bless you all. Peace.